Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be unboxing, reviewing and testing this little bargain that I got recently from Aldi supermarket here in the UK. I bought it online and it only cost £14.99. So it's a 14.4 volt hammer drill, so it's like a mini combi drill. It has hammer function, drill and drive. So let's take a closer look at it. Okay, so here it is, the 14.4 volt hammer drill with battery and charger from Ferrex, and I bought this from the Aldi website here in the UK. So it has a 2-speed gearbox and an LED light built in, and you can see on the photo you get a belt clip as well. So this is like a miniature combi drill. You can do hammer setting, you can screw, you can drill wood, and it's only 14.4 volts, so it's quite small. Just taking a closer look at the box, it has the 2 variable speeds, 0 to 400, 0 to 1500 RPM, impact rate 0 to 6400, 0 to 24,000, drill chuck 10mm, full metal, max torque 30 Newton meters, torque settings 21 plus 1 plus 1, drilling capacity in wood is 22mm, drilling capacity in soft steel 10mm, LED indicator, LED light, auto spindle lock. So it has a lot of features for a small compact 14.4 volt drill. Looking at the back of the box, you get a small illustration here of the drill in use, and then there's a small breakdown here of the items inside the box. And it also states that you have a 3-year warranty. So let's take a look inside the box and see what you get. So you get the manual and the warranty. Here is the battery, the 14.4 volt battery, a nice lightweight battery with a release button here, and you charge it with the little hole here. Here is the small charger. The output is 17.5 volts and 0.4 amps. You also get the belt clip, a nice robust large belt clip. And you also get a little set of drill bits for drilling. I think they are like various ones that can drill multiple materials, and some driver bits in there as well. And then you get the drill itself. So small, relatively lightweight drill. This is a brushed drill, and it has the usual settings of the lock, and then forwards and reverse. On the top you have the 2 speed settings, 1 and 2. It has hammer mode, drill and drive, and then the torque settings, it has 21 of those. And it has a keyless chuck, which feels quite nice as well. And on the side here you have an indicator light. I'll show that in a moment to show how much battery you have left. And then the work light is here. And this is where you attach the belt clip. Now for the belt clip, I'm going to add that. There's a screw already in the drill, Phillips head screw. I'll just remove that. And then add the clip. And there's the clip all secure. It can be added to either side of the drill. So I'm now going to take the drill bit provided and add it to the chuck. See how that goes. Nice grip on there, and that's nice and tight. Very good. So this battery has a nice wide base to it, so the drill should be nice and stable. It's 14.4 volts. It's lithium ion, and it has a capacity of 1.3 amp hours. To charge the battery, we can just put the plug in the top, and there's a red light here, and when it's charged this light will go green. Okay, the light is now green, so it's now ready. It took about 20 minutes to half an hour to charge. So now that the battery's charged, I can put the battery in. Clips in nice and easily, and it sits on a flat surface, nice and firm and solid. There's no problem with balance and it tipping forward or anything like that. So that is on speed number 1. Speed number 2. Speed number 1. First impressions are, it feels like it's got a good bit of power. It's comfortable in the hand. It's lightweight, nice and sturdy. The indicator light here shows that the battery's full. So first impressions are very good. All I need to do now is give it a test. I'm going to do a bit of a size comparison. I've got a 40 volt Ferrex brushless Combi drill here, and you can kind of see the overall size of that one in comparison to this one, which is overall quite a bit smaller as expected. This is brushless and this is brushed, so they have different sort of sizes at the top, but in terms of overall size and weight, this is clearly smaller and it lighter. If you're doing just general DIY and you don't need your normal 18 to 20 volt or even 40 volt like this one power, you just need an electric screwdriver, you know, a general drill driver, putting up some shelving or a picture on the wall, general stuff. This one looks like it'll be more convenient and lightweight to use. Right, so now I'm going to weigh the drill. So it's got the bit in the end, it's got the belt clip on, all fully loaded. Let's see what it weighs, and it weighs 1.259, so about 1.26 kilos, so around 1.25 kilograms in total. So starting off with the testing, I've got it set to speed 1 in screw mode, and I'm going to start off with a 30mm screw, and I'm drilling these screws directly into this block of pine, so there's no pilot holes. Now going up to a 50mm screw. Now a decking screw of 65mm. $70mm self-tapping screw. And finally a 75mm screw. I was impressed with how this drill performed. Screwing these screws in, it did a pretty good job. And it was no problem to remove them from the wood either. Now going to the drill setting and changing it up to speed 2. I'm using a 6mm bit here, and you can see it went through the wood like butter. No problem at all. I then went up to an 8mm wood bit, and again it had no problem drilling the hole. Now checking out the hammer setting,
and I'm going to drill into house brick. The hammer setting was a little disappointing. It was very slow to get a hole drilled. It did the job, but it took a while.
Okay, so that is about it for the review and the testing. My first impressions of this little drill are very good. It's lightweight, comfortable to use. The battery provides a nice stable base so it doesn't fall over when you're working with it. It's got the work light on it and the battery indicator, so it's got all the features that you'll need in a small budget sort of general purpose drill. It's got the hammer feature. It's a bit slow, the hammer feature, but that's expected because it's not a very powerful drill. It will drill a hole if you have time, if you're not in a rush, I'll put it that way. But everything else about the drill is very good. I like the keyless chuck, it works nicely. You can get a nice tight grip on it, get the bit in there nice and tight. That's the two speeds, number 1 and number 2. They work very well, and it's got the indicator light and the work light. It's got the belt clip. It has the hammer feature if you need it, and the drill and drive are very good, and it's very lightweight, and of course above anything else it's very cheap. I bought this for £14.99. I don't know how long it will be that price for, considering inflation at the moment in this country, but at the moment it's, I would say, in my opinion, it's a bargain. So if you can pick up one of these, if you're just looking for some general use, or like me, you're looking for something that's lightweight when you're just doing some light drilling or screwing, this is a nice lightweight drill, well under 1.5 kilograms total. So that is it for my review. If you found it useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.